Humans are one of a small number of highly social species that, in addition to having strong relationships within our immediate social group, also have relationships that extend between different social groups. One hypothesis for how these intergroup relationships evolve is through the benefits they could provide for accessing resources within neighbouring groups' territories and easing disputes over space. We set out to test this hypothesis in one of our closest evolutionary relatives, the mountain gorillas. We compared how gorilla groups interacted when they encountered each other in different regions of their home range, and whether the probability of aggression between these groups depended on their past relationships with each other. We found that when gorillas encountered another group in the central regions of their home range, they were likely to be aggressive regardless of their past relationship. But in the more peripheral areas, this heightened aggression was only seen towards groups they were less familiar with. Groups that they'd previously split off from, and were therefore much more familiar with, were tolerated to a greater extent within these outer regions. This suggests that improved access to neighbouring groups' territories could be one important evolutionary driver of these intergroup relationships that we see in both humans and gorillas, and it could also be important in the evolution of other complex animal societies.